Breaking news coming in now. The Supreme Court directs trial courts to pass appropriate orders to ensure the safety of witnesses in cases that are pending against the self-styled godman Asaram Bapu. Remember, key witnesses in the case against the self-styled godman have in fact received threats, and one was also shot dead by unidentified attackers in Uttar Pradesh earlier this year. That particular attack in which the witness was in fact shot dead was the 9th or the 10th such case of some sort of threat or attack on witnesses related to this particular case. Therefore, this directive now coming in the Asaram case from the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court directing the trial courts to pass appropriate orders to ensure the safety of witnesses in all cases that are pending against Asaram. Meenakshi is with us for more on this. Now, Meenakshi, what exactly does the Supreme Court say about this?
Well, this is significant going forward because now clearly the trial courts or the lower courts are going to be bound by the direction of the Supreme Court, wherein the court has today categorically made it clear that any of the witnesses for police protection has to be adequately taken into consideration by the trial court where the cases are pending. This is especially pertinent to states like Gujarat and Rajasthan, where there are several pleas pending against Asaram Bapu in differing stages of trial. But clearly, the Supreme Court's ruling will be binding on these courts where the matter is proceeding at the higher court stage, where now the courts will have to take into consideration the plea for police protection.
Yes.
Going to be sought by witnesses.
Now, Meenakshi, this is coming as a result of some of the really shocking developments related to this case. Remember that 9 or 10 witnesses have in fact been attacked in this case, 2 of whom have actually died, which is why this directive coming in from the Supreme Court.
Well, absolutely. And even as call or demand from supporters for his bail is on the rise. Remember, the trial is progressing still in various stages. The trial is still in different stages of process. And in this backdrop, the Supreme Court ruling categorically asking the trial court to keep in mind the protection of the witnesses as being the paramount feature is going to be very critical going forward in the case.